Hey guys, what's up? This is Austin from Support. In this quick training video, I want to discuss how do I buy a stock, or how does someone buy a stock? So for instance, let's say Apple here, you found a stock that you like and you want to buy it. Now, how do you buy it? Our platform does not handle trades for you, nor does it connect to brokerages. If you want to buy a stock, what you have to do is you have to understand, okay, so this is the stock I want to buy. You want to go to a brokerage that you like and that you are currently using. So for instance, you can go, if you're in the US, you can go to TD Ameritrade, Webull, Robinhood, Fidelity, etc. If you're in international markets, you can go to Interactive Brokers. You can go to Trading 212. Wealthsimple, something like that, depending on the country you are in. Again, I do have the links to different brokerages. If you want to see those, you just open up this and type in brokerages, and you should see a list of all those. But again, you need to initiate and buy and sell a stock from your brokerage. This just shows you the best time to buy based on statistics. You must place your order on a brokerage.